Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we'll continue with our speedy lessons, looking at lesson number 22. Go botsisha tshupetso, asking for directions. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to ask for directions, give simple directions, understand common direction words, have a simple conversation when asking for directions. Vocabulary: road, tsela, 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 tsela. Direction: tshupetso, 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 tshupetso. Left: langele, 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 langele. Right: la go ja, la go ja, la go ja, la go ja, la go ja. Ja is to eat. La go means the eating hand, the hand that you eat with. So when you say turn la go ja, most people eat with the right hand. So hence you are saying la go ja, turn on your right side. Go straight. Tswela pele, tswela pele, tswela pele, tswela pele, tswela pele. Across the road. Mošola wa tsela, mošola wa tsela, mošola wa tsela, mošola wa tsela, mošola wa tsela. Near: kgauswi, 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 kgauswi. Far: kgole, 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 kgole. At the corner. Sekhutlong, 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 sekhutlong. Bank: banka, 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 banka. Hospital: bookelo, 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 bookelo. 5 sentences. Where is the bank? Banka e kae? 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 Go straight on this road. Tswela pele ka tsela ye. 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 Turn right. Fapohela ka la go ja. Fapohela ka la go ja. fapohela ka la go ja, fapohela ka la go ja, fapohela ka la go ja. The hospital is near the school. Bookelo bo gaufi le sekolo. 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 The shop is across the road. Lebenkele le mošola wa tsela. 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 Grammar focus. Asking where something is. Use e kae. Where is. Example. Banka e kae. Where is the bank? Banka e kae. Number 2. Sekolo se kae. Where is the school? Sekolo se kae. Number 3. Bookelo bo kae. Where is the hospital? Bookelo bo kae. Remember, the question word kae means where. Conversation practice. Ntshwarele, banka e kae? Excuse me, where is the bank? Ntshwarele, banka e kae? Tšwela pele gomme o fapohele ka la go ja. Go straight and turn right. Tšwela pele gomme o fapohele ka la go ja. Ke a leboga. Thank you. Ke a leboga. O amogetšwe. You are welcome. O amogetšwe. Did you know? Knowing how to ask for direction is one of the most useful language skills. It helps you travel, visit new places, and communicate confidently in your community. Learner activity. Answer these questions in Sepedi. Write it in the comment section. Sekolo se kae. Sekolo se kae. Lebenkele le kae. Lebenkele le kae. O ka botšiša bjang ge o timetše. O ka botšiša bjang ge o timetše. Say your answer aloud before writing them in the comment section. Common mistake. Banka kae. Don't say banka kae. You must say banka e kae. Banka e kae. In Sepedi, complete question needs the correct agreement word before kae. Example, banka e kae. Sekolo se kae. Bookelo bo kae. Word of the day. Tsela, road. Tsela, 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 tsela. Example, this road goes to the school. Tsela ye e ya sekolong. 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 Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.